Hey everybody, I had to replace the heater hose assembly on a 2005 Chevy Uplander. It was leaking. That's where the gasket is on the new one, and the old one just wore out. So just unclip this harness here. You had to pull it, you got to pull it all the way up though. And you're going to take that out, and you're also going to take the heater hose off. You're going to undo this clip here, take the hose off, and fold it under that wiring harness to get it out of your way. Also going to take off the air cleaner assembly right there to the right. You're also going to take this one bolt out that's going to hold the assembly onto the engine. You're going to undo all the rubber hoses, and you see right there, that's how it lifts out. But you have a couple of other things that you have to deal with while you're doing that. You have to take that out. That goes to the air cleaner assembly. And you're going to take the nuts and bolts out that are around the throttle housing. See those? Don't miss those. That's the throttle housing. Look at the two bolts on the top of the screen. Take those out. They're long. And you remove the throttle body. Get that out of the way. Then you're going to take the hose off of the tube, the metal tube that we're replacing. Now that goes on that way. You're going to have to push the hose down on the tube, squeeze the tabs in, and it pulls off. Just that when you get those separated, you have to take the white clip and reinsert it into the heater hose so that it can go on the new part. You don't want to lose that. And when you pull it out, you fish it through, grab it from the right and pull it through that way, and it comes out of the way. And just put it on the same way you took it off. Do the new one that way. You should be fine. Be blessed.